A 9/11 outage is in effect for southern DC area. That's in effect until further notice. All emergency lines are temporarily unavailable. Stay at home during this time as there is a high risk of crime and murder on Washington, D.C. due to emergency outlets offline. A alert will notify people when emergency outlet phone lines are available again to use. At this time, do not go out unless it's an emergency. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest information.